This is Kurt. Kurt is our head of HR. And well, let's just say Kurt is no technical genius. That's why Kurt tests all our products. Today, he's testing Juice Booster 2 and the wall bracket so it can be used as a wall charging station. He starts by reading the instruction manual, of course. Okay, it looks as though he'd rather start unpacking everything first. Juice Booster 2 comes securely packed in the booster bag. One quick glance at the manual before he gets going. What a great example he's setting. Do try and concentrate, Kurt. Let's get down to business. First, he needs to drill 2 holes to attach the wall bracket. Then he can position the wall bracket on the wall, insert the screws, and screw into position. Top one first, then the bottom one. Very good. Now it's secure. He can click the Juice Booster 2 into the wall bracket. Nearly. Yes, he's got it. Close the U-clamp, attach the lock, and the Juice Booster is secure. Now it can't be removed from the charging station even when it's on the road. Finally, Kurt just needs to plug in the right adapter. Then connect this to the power supply. Juice Booster 2 automatically detects the maximum current intensity of the power supply. If he so wishes, Kurt can still use the select button to reduce the amp rating manually.
Wow. Easy.
Well done, Kurt.
Our
products are meant to be easy, fast, and safe to use. And if Kurt can do it, you can too.